All right, we got our first gen E-Revo here for sale. Belonged to my son's friend's dad. Hadn't run it in a while. I was sitting in the garage, broken. I had him drop it off. I told him to fix it up. Spur gear was destroyed. The slipper clutch was destroyed. These first gens have a similar slipper clutch to like a VXL Rustler or a Slash. But these first gens, they came stock with the Mamba Monster ESC and that ginormous motor. I don't know what the kV rating on these things are, but I got a picture I'll put up on the ad of um, the spec sheet and everything. And it's got some upgrades, long travel rockers for the suspension. He did have one wheel that was busted. The hub's all stripped. These first gens are 14 millimeter hex with a small nut, but then he's got one wheel with the 17 millimeter little adapters, and the other adapters are in the box of spare parts, but we only have one wheel that will fit them. So that might be a good choice for an upgrade. But right now it's got a pair of 6S lipos in it. I'm sorry, a pair of 3S's. We're going to run on 6S. Just give you a real quick run to show you everything works. Upgraded rear steel shafts, stock plastic ones in the front. There's a spare in case you rip one apart. But yeah, let's throw the body on it and take it for a rip. So yeah, this thing is just a monster. Definitely not for a beginner. It's not even for an expert. It's just too much. But with hobbies, too much is just enough. I'd probably throw a pair of 2S's in this thing, run it on 4S, and just go bash and have a blast. 6S is just an animal. But gear mesh is great. Everything works as it should. It still is the original dual steering servo setup. So I know some people like to upgrade to a big single, but that's all stock. Like I said, I think it's just the long travel stuff and the rear drive shafts, and that's pretty much it. So yeah, good truck. Gives somebody a fun toy.